Welcome back for another day with Taco Stacks. Trash picking. Start ourselves off with a stroll down the road, also known as a stroller. Just got into town. Saw one person messing around with a garbage can, and then I realized it was actually a guy cutting the cord off a vacuum cleaner. So who knows what we'll find today. It's a beautiful day that we have, and to make it a fun one, trash picking once again. Oh, guy's coming right at us now. Same guy. That guy went that way, and wow, that wind is strong. That wind is very strong. That's kind of nice. Let's see what's there. I came down that road, did a loop-de-loop. Things are flying down, and I saw another guy picking up trash, so I guess everyone's picking up trash day. It must be trash picking day. Grab this before someone else does. I think for the most part, a lot of these other guys are just picking up scrap metal. It's actually pretty, it's very cool. This says it works on it, so we'll take that. Don't ask me what it is, though. Oh, what is all those? I don't know what that is. Older Christmas lights? Not that old. It says Lanco on it. 1986. It's like just crafting stuff. Frog's kind of cool. I'll grab this guy. Alright. Looks like yard sale leftovers, if you ask me. It's got enough metal on it, I could take that. I'm creating an absolute traffic jam by parking here. Alright, what is going on here? I don't know. I don't think they're trash picking. Alright, well, we're in the second town. These people, I don't know. First come, first serve. I don't know what to say. We're trash picking, second town now. Today I got the lowdown. I did a whole long thing, and a whole long thing means I got in connection with someone who was trying to get rid of something. When I was picking the item up, they're like, oh, next week it's bulk pickup day in this town. And I was like, bulk pickup day? Like, yeah, bulk pickup day. It's once every 3 months, I believe, in this town. I only thought it was once or twice every year, but apparently it's once every 3 months. And so we'll see what pops up here on bulk pickup day in the second town. We didn't find much in that first one. With that said, there's actually a metal day also in this town. That, I believe, is in October. But what really throws me for an absolute loop is there's like 3 or 4 different sections in this town, and what I mean by that is not every section's picked up on the same garbage day. So let's say today would be a Monday pickup, tomorrow would be a Tuesday pickup, or yeah, and you know, another area would be a Wednesday pickup, then there'd be a Friday pickup. So there's all different sections that get picked up at different times. And I just hope I'm in the right section for bulk pickup for this area. This person right in the middle of the road. What do? Do you go to right? Do you go left? Oh, buddy. Oh, going left. All right. Okie dokie. And when I drove over there to turn around, a lady came out from over here and she was throwing away whatever this is. A door. That is one very narrow door. Must be a closet. Trash picking during bulk pickup. We'll see what we find. I really hope they know they should probably wrap that mattress, because I don't know what this town does with that, but it'd really stink if you can only get rid of a mattress once every 3 months and didn't know you needed to wrap it. These mattress frames, or whatever you call springs, always are an absolute mess to deal with. I actually just saw a set of 4 chairs, and I stopped because when I pulled up next to it, and a lady just came out running. She's like, "No, I'm taking those." All right then, take them. Take this book though. Oklahoma. Place I've never been. There's a nice pile of merchandise. Got a lazy boy and a couple of suitcases and a dirty rug. I've completely managed to somehow screw myself up where I have no idea where I'm going. My goodness. Oh, let's just go right. That, I don't think this was the right way. Maybe it was the right. If we can turn left here, it'd be great. I think I can. So I decided to go through the second town, but I went down like all the back ways, like the, I don't even know what you'd even call this. Yeah, I know this road. But then again, once again, this town is divided into like 4 different sections. So trash day here might be 3 days from now, even though it's the same town. But I was just hoping, I was kind of going based off the trash cans. How many trash cans were out at this time? And once I stopped seeing trash cans, I knew I probably went too far. Alright, this guy hollered for me to stop for some scraps, so we'll get out. Hopefully it'll be alright. Alright, so let's go wrap it up here for today's video. That guy actually gave me a bunch of metal. He had more, but it wasn't ready. He did give me a whole sink. It's got all this other stuff on it, but nah, whatever. Take it in like that. It doesn't have too much. It's not very heavy. So whatever, we'll take that in like that. He also gave me this stove, which was very, very heavy. I was shocked. Usually stoves are heavy, but I was shocked how much we kind of struggled, both of us, to put that in. So that's got some weight on it. We did pick up a bunch of metal today. So much competition. I don't know what happened today. I don't know what happened. I got to the last town and I saw 3 scrappers, and then I saw maybe 3 or 4 scrappers in that first town, and maybe 2 or 3 different scrappers in the second town. Like, I saw close to 10 other people out there trash picking, which is kind of unheard of around here. Usually there's only like 1 or 2. But it seemed like everyone was out today. It could have been because of that bulk pickup and people know about it, or it could just be because it's nice weather. But I still found stuff, so I'm excited. This brought back some memories. 1986. Old Taco was not alive in 1986. Wasn't even a thought, probably. These were $2 at a yard sale, which I probably wouldn't pay $2 a piece. This was $1. This is from 1988. Well, I think it's a 2. Maybe it's a 2. I don't know. No, it's a 1. It's a 1. I'll be lucky to get $1 a piece for them, but that just, you know, I love the older boxes. 80s really isn't that collectible when it comes to Christmas. collectible for a lot of other things. Toys, clothing, video games, electronics in some cases, but not Christmas lights. Not old enough, but still going to try to get something out of it. Someone else can probably enjoy these. And then grab some other odds and ends, like Mr. I definitely have had this frog before, because I remember he has a little flag, I think, that goes right there. I'm almost 100% certain I've had this guy before, but not in this shape. I feel like he was already painted up and done up and all that fun stuff. But that's going to wrap it up here for another fun day of treasure hunting. Hopefully you guys enjoyed yet another fun trash picking adventure. As always, if you guys enjoyed the video, smack the like button, subscribe down below for more treasure hunts just like this. I know we are approaching 500 episodes, so thank you for all the support. I feel like I say every single time that we're getting closer and closer to 500 episodes, but soon we will be there. Yeah, catch you guys next time. Till next time, have a great day. Keep living dream. Peace.